hydrotherapy also has great benefits for people that have neuropathy. Neuropathy affects our lower extremities in our feet and sometimes in our hands. A lot of people suffer from neuropathy, from diabetes, back injuries, arthritis. And what it is a tingling effect in your feet and your hands. It's sometimes very painful. A lot of times to help make that sensation feel better is increasing the blood flow in the body. When you use the hydrotherapy, it does increase the blood flow in the body, which generates more oxygen in the body. And so you're getting more oxygen and blood flow to the lower extremities of your body, which is going to give you some comfort there. It also helps with any type of arthritic issues like RA, osteoarthritis. It's going to help increase the blood flow and the oxygen to your joints and give you some comfort. And the hydrotherapy also is great for exfoliating dead skin. A lot of times when we're on medications, it blocks our pores. So the hydrotherapy and the air therapy is great for exfoliating the dead skin, so you can regenerate new cells, so your skin is much softer feeling. The aromatherapy is a therapy that we all are familiar with. People don't realize how aroma affects our mental abilities. For example, I do like to use lavender myself. Lavender is a calming effect on the body. It helps you sleep. So if you're having an issue sleeping on medications, you have stressful nights, you're just not sleeping good, but lavender is a great option for aromatherapy to use in the tub before you go to bed. But different aromas have different effects on our sensories.
Looking for a safer way to bathe? Head to EZProExpress.com to get started.